Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious sweet and savory baked beans with smoked sausage, hamburger meat, ground beef, and some bacon. Yummy goodness. Let's get into this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add just a small smidget of oil to my skillet. Okay, just a small amount. Okay, and then I'm going to turn my eye on to medium heat, and I am going to cook my sausage first. Okay. And these are Georgia Boy smoked sausages. Okay. Okay, so now let's build our baked beans. I have drained my meat, got that oil off of it. Okay, I'm gonna show you the baked bean cans. I'm using Bush's, of course. I'm gonna use brown sugar hickory. I'm not gonna drain the oil, the juices off of this can because I need it. It's not that much in there because I don't like dry beans. Okay, and the other can that I'm using is Bush's original baked beans. Okay, and it wasn't that much of liquid in that one either. Okay, so those are, let me show y'all again the two cans that I'm using. We're gonna add our sausage back in. And some brown sugar. 1, 2. Allow your beans to simmer for 5 minutes. You're going to bake your baked beans in your oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And make sure that you check on your baked beans periodically. And no, I did not cover my baked beans with aluminum foil, but I do have a pan under them to catch any liquids or juices that may rise up out of my baking. Okay everyone, so my baked beans are done. They are out of the oven. And we have our bacon, our smoked sausage. Our baked beans are juicy. See, they're not dried out. They are perfect. Remember, cook your baked beans at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And yes, I cooked these uncovered. Oh my goodness. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna let these cool off because I'm ready to dig in. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to your girl channel for another great video. Peace and have a good day.